Alright, so in this video, we're going to look at the types of chemical reactions that's given by organic compounds. This is still very basic, okay? So first thing is hydrocarbons. Every hydrocarbon, when they react with excess oxygen, they will produce carbon dioxide and water. For example, propane or butane or ethanol or any hydrocarbon. Okay, so any hydrocarbon, when they react with oxygen, they will give out carbon dioxide and water. For example, propane, which is what? C3H8. When it reacts with excess oxygen, you will get carbon dioxide and water. Now you can balance this equation on your own, okay? So for butane, it will be C4H10, right? Well, although they're different, they are hydrocarbon, okay? You will still produce carbon dioxide and water. So even for ethanol, which is not a hydrocarbon, because why? It's CH3, CH2OH, or you can write this as C2H5OH. The formula of ethanol, whichever one that you write, it's okay, right? If you react with oxygen in excess, you will still get carbon dioxide and water. Okay, so whenever something reacts with oxygen and produce carbon dioxide and water, we call it a combustion reaction. And this is only true, okay, because it's excess, because of the word excess, meaning that these are all complete combustion. What happens when you have an incomplete combustion? When you have an incomplete combustion, your products would either be carbon or carbon monoxide, CO, which is actually very, very toxic to human beings and nature. And okay, all right. So another reaction that you need to know is substitution. So our substitution reaction happens when one atom or group of atoms is replaced by a different set of atoms, okay? A different atom or group of atoms. If we look at this, we have ethane here and we have a bromine gas here. So what will happen is that bromine will kick out hydrogen from ethane, okay? So instead of this, what we would get is C instead of H. What do we have? We have Br, okay? And where will this H go? This H will go combined with the Br, which is left. So it is a substitution reaction because Br replaces one hydrogen atom, okay? So hydrogen atoms in alkanes can be replaced by halogen atoms, all right? So last one is addition. So what's addition different from substitution is that Br is actually going to be added, but then it's not going to take anything away. There's still going to be C2 and H4. The addition is that we have Br. But in this case, for Br to be actually added, the double bond here has to be broken, okay, to make space for Br. So instead of ethene, this will become C, single bond C. You will still have your H as H, 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 but your Br will actually come into here to have Br and Br. So nothing is actually taken away, only something is added to this molecule without taking anything away. So that is called an addition reaction. So with that being said, I know that this part 1 introduction to organic chemistry can be a bit overwhelming, but revise on these videos and in the future you will start to learn about alkanes, alcohols, build a very strong foundation based on these videos, okay? So that it will be easier for you in the future. Alright, thank you very much and see you guys in the next chapter.